y'all? Greetings from Bowie, Texas. That's right, starting my journey home for the next 2 days for the summer. There's a car wash. Oh, I just went the wrong way. Entrance is on the other side. I didn't see it coming. Anyway, another car wash break coming up with several more Crossfires on the menu today. Oh my god, do I want to turn in that, or I'll just turn in the normal way? Kind of overcast here. I'm trying to get out before the weather gets bad. So yeah, another cheap wash here. This is Jackrabbit car wash. It's another old Crossfire. It was starting to rain, so and try to beat it out driving through Texas today. Alright, there is a machine shot. I'm about to keep the exposure up for the video today. Six, 8, 9, and 10. We'll first with the 10. And then there's a menu up there. Alright, that was easy. Just having to use a single $10 bill always helps. Oh, I missed it a bit. There we go. I always love how quirky these things are, especially the older ones. And once again, just ignore all the crap I have in the back of my car. Pretty generous on the soap. And looks like we got tri-foam now. That's really watery, not all that colorful. I mean, could be worse. Kind of looks like some wax material. High pressure soap, I guess, maybe. No. It's really cool how on these older models, those side heads pivots. And it's probably our spot free right there. And no dryers, as these things usually have. Usually don't have. And that should be it. Yep. There's the second bay here, but that's been walled off for a long time, so at least this one still worked pretty good, as they usually do. Well, without further ado, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed, and that'll be it.